Good morning. Good morning to you too. Good morning, everyone. Hope you have a wonderful day.